Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how much does Shopify cost. It's very important about you to know if you wanted to start your online business using Shopify platform. Shopify has some unique features that make it number one e-commerce solution platform. So today I'm going to share everything about its prices. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to search on Google Shopify prices. Then we'll go to this link and you can see that here is the plan and pricing. Start for free, then enjoy your first month for $1. Choose the best plan for your business. Change plan as you grow. So you can start with free, then you have to pay $1 for first month. Also you can change the business plan as you grow. That means you can change it anytime when you improve, when your business is growing and improve or make a huge sales. Also you can start free trial. Just enter your email and click on the start free trial. Then here is the plan or cost details of Shopify, and this is most popular basic plan and $1 for your first month, and this is the most popular plan for Shopify user, and it's for solo entrepreneur. So if you are solo entrepreneur, you can select this plan and you have to pay $19 every month and bill once yearly. So if you pay for 1 year, then your cost will be $19 per month, but if you pay monthly, then your cost will be $25 per month. Looks here. So I hope you understand. Then card rate is starting at 2% third party payment provider. If you use any third party payment provider, then they will cut 2%. And standout feature 10 inventory location. You can add 10 inventory location. You will get 24 hours chat support, localized or global selling, pre-market and post light. If you are very beginner, then you can select this plan. Also there have a Shopify for small team where you have to pay $49 per month, but you have bill it once yearly. Then here is the advance, and all the plan have first month $1. This is very good things. And here is the advanced plan. It's for big business. You have to pay $299 every month, but you will bill once yearly. And here is one of the most important things you should check, that in the basic plan you have to pay 2% for third party payment. In the Shopify plan you have to pay 1%, but in the advanced plan you have to pay 0 into 6% for third party payment provider. Also there have a lot of featured, a lot of advantages as its big plan. And here is the plus plan for more complex business, and it's for any big budget company or big company, and there is no any additional hidden cost. Also you can check the full list of featured in here. Just click on it, then looks here. Basic plan, pay monthly, pay yearly, online store, unlimited product, additional stuff account, looks here, collaborator account, support, sales channel, headless storefront, analytics, inventory location, manual order creation. A lot of features available in here, so you should check all the features in here before select Shopify for your online store. So I hope you understand everything about the pricing of Shopify. So what is the next is how to design your Shopify online store, then how to do SEO to rank your store, bring customers or bring traffic on your store, and you will get all the tutorials free course in my YouTube channel. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.